Hi everyone, on this video I will compare two of my Micro Four Thirds lenses. Both of them have a fixed focal length of 25mm, are very popular and quite expensive. The first one is the Voigtlander Nocton 0.95. Okay, and the second one is the Leica DG Sumilux f1.4. Right, now let's start the comparison. The first thing we're going to check is the lens construction. The Nocton has 11 elements in 8 groups, and the Leica has 9 elements in 7 groups. So the Nocton wins here. The next thing is the weight. The Nocton weighs 410 grams and the Leica weighs around 200 grams. So the Leica is half the weight of the Nocton. Minimum focus distance is what we're going to check now. The Nocton can focus down to 17 centimeters, which is very impressive in my opinion. And the Leica can focus down to 30 centimeters, which is not bad at all. Now the Nocton is a manual focus lens, so there is no autofocus. And the Leica Sumilux is an AF lens, but you can also use it to manual focus if you set your camera on manual focus mode. Finally, the price. The Nocton costs around £800 at this moment, and the Leica Sumilux costs around £450, and that is a £350 difference, which is quite a lot. As we saw, both of them have their advantages and disadvantages. Now, since my GH1 camera is being used at the moment, I will use my GF2 camera and mount the lenses just to give you an idea on how they look like. Let's start with the Nocton first. So there you have it, the GF2 with the Nocton 25mm f0.95. The lens is definitely heavier than the camera, but as long as you use your left hand to hold it, it's not bad actually. Let's switch it on. Okay, gorgeous display on the GF2. Okay, and the front. Let's try the Leica Sumilux now. Okay, that's the Leica. On the GF2, the Leica is much lighter, The quality of the Leica is not as good as the Nocton, but yeah, the whole combination is much lighter. Okay. You go and AF, autofocus, and you can also on the GF2 you can also tap the screen and take the shot. Okay. So this is it, guys. Now the next step is the photo comparison. My plan is to take shots at different apertures with both lenses, inspect them very carefully, and see if there is a winner.